Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Students, today's topic is software. Now, it is again important topic of your unit first, so watch this lecture carefully. Student, first question comes in our mind, what is software? So let's see what is software or what do you mean by software? Computer software is a collection of programs. Student, here one term we had already seen which is programs. Programs हम पहले ही देख चुके हैं. प्रोग्राम का मीनिंग क्या होता है? Okay, one more time we recall it. Program is a sequence of instruction written to solve a particular problem and to make the hardware run. So, student, software is a collection of programs or computer instruction that tell the computer how to work. वर्क कंप्यूटर में कैसे किया जाता है उसे बताने के लिए हमें किसकी जरूरत पड़ती है? सॉफ्टवेयर की. Now these instructions tell the computer what to do. Software can't be executed without hardware. Okay, now there are mainly three types of software. First, system software. Second, application software. Third, utility software. We will discuss it one by one. Software and its type is present. Now student, software is basically divided into three types. First, system software. Second, application software. Third, utility software. System software divided into three types. First, SMP. Second, SSP. Third, SDP. The full form of SMP is System Management Program. The full form of SSP, System Support Program. And the full form of SDP is System Development Program. Second, application software again classify on the basis of general purpose and special purpose. Now, utility divided into three parts: antivirus program, file management program, and disk management program. Student, one by one हम जितने भी सॉफ्टवेयर हैं एंड उनके टाइप से उसके बारे में देखते हैं. First, system software. This software is developed to control the hardware components. Student, system software वैसे सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं या हम कहें वो सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं जो किसी भी हार्डवेयर के कंपोनेंट को कंट्रोल करने के लिए जरूरी होते हैं. These programs provide the environment for running application programs and are designed to control the operation of a computer system. Now, system software comprises programs which interact with the hardware at the basic level. Student, it directs the computer what to do, when to do, and how to do. Thus, system software serves as the interface between hardware and the user. Interface means यूजर और कंप्यूटर के बीच में कम्युनिकेशन प्रोवाइड करने के लिए एक लिंक होना. थ्री टाइप के इंटरफेस होते हैं. CUI interface means character user interface. Second, GUI interface means graphical user interface. Third, TUI means technical user interface. Now, student, system software is used to usage and allocation of different hardware and components. It also enables the other application to execute. Now, here two examples are there: operating system and device driver. In detail, we'll discuss it later. In short, the software that controls internal computer operation is called system software. Operating system. An operating system is a set of programs that manages all computers component and operations. जितने भी कंप्यूटर कंपोनेंट्स है उनको मैनेज करने के लिए ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. Student, a computer cannot do anything without operating system. Operating system must be installed. User interact with the computer through operating system. Without operating system के यूजर कंप्यूटर से इंटरेक्ट नहीं कर पाता. मीन्स एक तरीके का इंटरफेस होता है आपका ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. सेकेंड एग्जांपल ऑफ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर इज डिवाइस ड्राइवर. Student, a device driver is a program that is used to operate and control the device attached to the computer. So device driver are provided by manufacturers of devices. The devices cannot function properly without a device driver. अगर device driver नहीं होगा तो devices properly अपना function complete नहीं कर पाएगी. Without device driver, devices can't do anything. Now moving on, next slide, functions of system software. First function is reading data and receiving information. Second, translate data and instruction. Because student, as you know, computer understand binary digits, means in the form of 0 and 1. Then system software convert the alphabet or sentences into computer readable form. So translating an instruction operation performed by system software. Controlling all the peripheral devices like input or IO devices को control करने का काम भी system software का होता है. Processing and generating output. Again, it is a function of system software. Types of system software. First, SMP, System Management Program. Student, in the System Management Program, those software that manages computer system and enterprises, which may include different types of functions, just like software distribution, upgrading, user profile, version control, backup and recovery, printer, job scheduling, virus protection and performance and capacity planning. So student, the example of system management program is operating system, DBMS, telecommunication, etc. Now second is SSP, System Support Program. System support software is a software that supports or facilitates the smooth and efficient execution of various programs or operations of a computer. Student system support program में ऐसे सॉफ्टवेयर आते हैं जो फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करते हैं द स्मूथ एंड एफिशिएंट एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ वेरियस प्रोग्राम के लिए and operation of a computer system. Example of SSP is system utility, performance monitoring, security monitors. Now last one is SDP, System Development Program. Student, system development program और अगर हम कहें system development is the process of defining, designing, testing, and implementing a new software application or program. It can include the internal development of customized system. The creation of database include in this program. Example of system development program is language translator, computer aided software engineering. In short, we call it CASE. Next, application software. Application software are developed to perform some specific task. They are especially designed to solve the problem of users. This software is also used to provide audio, video, or multimedia entertainment to the users. Student, application software is bought by the user to perform a specific application or task. The example of application softwares are custom built software and package software. Student, making a document or making a presentation or handling inventory or managing the employee database performed by application software. Application software are classified into two types. First, general purpose application software, and second, special purpose application software. Student, general purpose application software means the software are made for the common users for day-to-day applications and uses. These are also referred to as office tool. The users may use them in a manner they want. For example, MS Office, Photoshop are the examples of general purpose application software. Second, customized application software or specific purpose application software. Customized or specific purpose means the software is one which is tailor-made as per the user's requirement. Such type of software is specific purpose software. It is made keeping in mind the individual need of users, and so it is also referred to as a domain specific software. पर्टिकुलर स्पेशल पर्पस के लिए यूज़र के रिक्वायरमेंट को कंप्लीट करने के लिए जो सॉफ्टवेयर बनाए जाते हैं वो आपके होते हैं स्पेशल पर्पस एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. एग्जांपल्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर्स: बैंकिंग सिस्टम, पेरोल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट एंड बिलिंग system. Utility software. Utility software are those application programs that help in proper maintenance of the computer so that computer system runs smoothly. Student, यूटिलिटी सॉफ्टवेयर का यूज़ करके ही आपका कंप्यूटर स्मूथली रन करता है और हम कहें तो सारे इंस्ट्रक्शन को एग्जीक्यूट करता है. It is used to performing housekeeping functions like scanning data, backup, removing viruses, etc. Now the examples of utility software. First, antivirus. A certain antivirus software is a software utility that detects, prevents, removes viruses, worms and other malware from the computer. Second, disk defragmenter. It is used to rearrange the fragments or decontamination parts of each file stored on a computer hard disk so that the small empty storage space adjacent to the fragments can be used effectively, creating a new storage space and possibly making file access faster. After that, backup utility. This utility helps in taking backup of the data, that is duplicating the disk information. Student, it creates a copy of the complete or partial data stored in a disk or DVD or CD or any other external devices which is attached to the computer. तो बैकअप लेने के लिए फैसिलिटी, एंटीवायरस फैसिलिटी और डिस्क डिफ्रेगमेंटेशन या डिफ्रेगमेंटर हम बोल सकते हैं, यूटिलिटी सॉफ्टवेयर की हेल्प से परफॉर्म होता है.
स्टूडेंट, डिस्क मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम भी आपकी यूटिलिटी सॉफ्टवेयर में आते हैं. जब किसी भी फ्री मैनेजमेंट टास्क के लिए या फिर किसी भी डिस्क की लोकेशन को अरेंज करना हो तो हम डिस्क मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम का यूज़ करते हैं. किसी भी प्रकार के डिस्क स्पेस को या प्रोग्राम को लोकेट किया जाता है तो अब हम इसे लोकेशन का पता लगा सकते हैं।
Okay, students, that's all for today's class.